Download the installer from the official website. Select your operating system. Click on the download button to download a trial version. Once the installer is downloaded, open the installer. Select a preferred language. Read the agreement carefully and accept the agreement to continue. If you want to create a shortcut on the desktop, fill the checkbox. We have successfully installed the software. Now we will convert a dummy MBOX file with the software. You can import files through folder mode, or through file mode. You can also load Thunderbird default locations. To select the files, click on the Browse button. Here you can see a preview of imported file. You can export the file as single PST file, or multiple PST file for each MBOX. After that, click on the Browse button to select a location for the output file. Finally, click on Convert Now button to start the process. The process has completed. Here you can see that MBOX file is successfully converted into PST file. You can use this file in any suitable platform or software. Purchase the full version from the official website to convert without limits. Thanks for watching.